Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream for tiramisu easy guide. Start by separating eggs and chilling mascarpone, then whip yolks with sugar until ribbon-like and pale. Whip cold, heavy cream to soft peaks and fold into the mascarpone mixture in thirds, using gentle strokes. Finally, fold in whipped egg whites or Italian meringue for extra lift, chill the cream to set, and assemble immediately for best results. Measure ingredients before starting to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Use 250 g mascarpone, 240 ml heavy cream, 3 egg yolks, 50 g sugar, and a splash of vanilla or coffee liqueur to taste. Keep everything cold except the yolk sugar mixture, which should be worked warm until pale. Whip cream to soft peaks and gently fold components together to maintain air. Chill the finished cream so it holds shape when layered into tiramisu. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy dessert guides. It really helps. Quick recommendation: I wear darn tough socks all day. They're comfy and built to last. A fun little kitchen essential to keep you comfortable while you bake. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab a pair if you like what you see. Now let's get back to the video. Create a stable cream by making a sabayon with yolks and sugar over warm water until thick and slightly ribboning off the whisk. Cool that base slightly before combining with mascarpone to avoid melting it. Whip the cold, heavy cream to soft peaks and fold it in thirds, using wide spatula strokes to keep air bubbles. If using whipped whites or Italian meringue, fold them last for extra lift and silky mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.